Are you looking for a quick makeup look? Hi, my name is Sarah of Just Glow Glam Girl, and here I'd love to share my favorite fashion finds and beauty products. Today, I'm going to show you how to get this 5-minute face using these 5 products. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start with this Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. Personally, I am not someone who likes to wear a lot of makeup, so I love a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream or CC cream just because they're much lighter on your skin and especially for an everyday face. So this is nice because it's hydrating while giving you a little bit of coverage. Now I'm going to take this 3-in-1 Baked Trio product. I absolutely love a product like this because of the 3-in-1 aspect. Instead of using 3 products, you're only using 1. It has your bronzer, blush, and highlight all right there for you. I like to use those, of course, on my face as you would normally use a blush, bronzer, and highlight. But then I like to take the bronzer and put it on the outer corner of my eyelids, and I highlight the inner corner with the highlight. And then I just, once I'm finished with that, take a blender brush and just kind of make it look pretty. And it makes it so easy having all the products right there in your hand, and definitely helps speed up your process getting ready in the morning. Next, I'm going to take this brow liner, and I like to just outline the bottom of my brows and then just kind of quickly fill them in. I try to make them as even as possible. To be honest, guys, I'm not great at brows, but I've always been told as long as they look like sisters, they don't have to look like twins, you're good. So I kind of always remember that when they're not looking perfect. Next, I'm going to take this eyeliner pen and I'm going to line both of my eyelids. And as you can see, it's going on so easily. It goes on so smooth. It's just one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to use a lip kit, which includes a lip liner and a matte lipstick. Both these products are super long lasting and really hydrating. And here's the finished look. This is my 5-minute face using only 5 products. I hope that you guys liked it. You can find all of the products linked in the description. And if you want to see more, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.